Hey guys, it's Danish from Local Niche Marketing, and in this video, we are not going to do any tutorial. This is basically a video um, only for those people who are having email deliverability issues inside GoHighLevel. Now, this is very important when it comes to email marketing campaigns that your emails are delivering properly inside the inbox of the contact. Now, recently, a business came to us, a chiropractic business. They wanted to run campaigns for their New Year offer, and they were having some issues with their email deliverability. And there were certain problems, right? So the problems are written here, like they were having an unverified dedicated sending domain. Um, were landing in the spam folders, and they were having a very high bounce rate. And also, the account was at the risk of restriction. You can see here may result in restriction on email capabilities, hard bounces. Because of the hard bounces, they were having this restriction issues. So what we find initially that there was no list verification done, and the most important thing was that their dedicated sending domain was not properly verified, and they were having really unclean email or contact database. So we did a database audit using a tool named Bouncer. And so total contacts we uploaded were 23, 27, and the only contacts which were safe to send were 1184. So you can see what kind of issues they were having in terms of overall hygiene of their database. That's why we initially did this audit to make sure that we are landing inside the inbox of the leads, and our total database is cleaned and proper contacts. So the numbers now you can see here before verification, when the other agency was taking this thing, so they were having a bounce rate of 10.14%. Yeah, you can see here as well. So after we have done all these steps, so you can see a bounce rate of only 0.82% was achieved. And this is really important, right? Because once you have a dedicated domain, but it's not verified, you're still going to be having led into the spam folders of the contacts, right? So no bulk email marketing campaign is going to be successful. No automation is going to handle this part because your emails are not verified, you have a bad database, and you have not set up properly your email sending domain, that is a dedicated domain. So what we fixed actually was dedicated domain, updated the DNS records, like text records, DMARC, and other DNS records that are essential for dedicated domain setup, and email list verification. That is really important. If you are running a New Year's offer or any offer in terms of email marketing, then you need to just put your list inside a tool to just verify all the contacts. It can have certain benefits, right? Because you will have a really clean database of contacts that are ready to engage, ready to buy from you, and your email servers are going to have a good reputation instead of bad reputation if you are sending emails to the bad contacts. Remove the risky contacts and reduce the spam and bounce rates. You have seen that from this uh, screenshot that so overall delivered were 98.97%, only 0.82% were hard bounced, and 0.2% were soft bounced, which was before it was around 10.14%. So if you are in need of email marketing services, uh, go high level funnel building, email setup, dedicated domain setup, um, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, Facebook ads, you can contact us. Everything will be mentioned in the description section of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you next time. Thank you.